Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. Now, Institute has launched another campus interview for CA freshers. Second shortlisting has already happened. Many of them have got interviews scheduled shortlisted as well as for CA experienced candidates. I think women CA also some companies have some candidates have got their company shortlisted. Okay, now it's very important for you to prepare for the interviews well. There will be different type of companies which will be coming in this type of companies like Excel Research or Big Four or different type of companies names will be quite different, which I have seen. Okay, students are generally getting. So it's very important to prepare for these interviews very well as I have seen. Okay, that lot of CA freshers are not getting a job right now. Okay, and that's why Institute has also launched the campus interview. So it is very important for you to get the interviews cleared in off campus as well. Okay, so what I will tell you, okay, if you need any interview related help, then you can connect with me. Uh, we have a very good feedback, and last 6 months we have actually helped say 500 plus CA freshers, which is the highest in the market. Okay, so we will help you with proper interview preparation, and it will be proper preparation, and you can choose as per your plans and all. You can see that we have helped in Railtail as well. It's a PSU company. You can go through the feedback. There's a proper feedback. We have not done anything out here. It's the feedback of the student which has given to us. Okay, so in the features, if you're not new to me, my channel, okay, please subscribe the channel and follow me in LinkedIn where I play, where our team also plays regular job vacancies as well. Okay, Tata Steel, some has got into job. You can see out here in the feature section that some has got into Tata Steel as well. Tata Steel and ICICI Bank. Okay, so like this, if you go through my featured section, so you will get all the details of students where they are getting placed. And right now there are a lot of job opportunities off campus as well. So you should be ready to explore the off campus opportunities. I feel like there are a lot of opportunities off campus if you apply them very well. Yeah. Okay. So I was saying that there was a lot of job vacancies in off campus as well. Okay. I hope you're able to see the screen. Okay. So if you are able to connect with our students also, they will also be trying to help you out. Okay. So wherever they have got placed. Okay. So you try to find out the students who have get jobs, because from networking only you can get the jobs. Okay. So if you write see a job again, if you signed out, okay, there are a lot of job opportunities. We have created the campus placement pool for South Indian candidates. This is free. Okay. So here you can join if you're a South CA, you can join this group also. Okay. In South CA group. This is free. So like this, you can join the relevant groups. Okay. For job vacancies. Also, just a second. You can see that we have placed a lot of people. Okay, and there are job vacancies in the market. The thing is that you need to work hard, okay, for the job vacancies. Accenture, there is job. Genpact, there is Big Four Global, they all hire for job vacancies. Okay, just a second. ENY, this recently placed student in ENY. In Dubai, there are a lot of job opportunities. If you apply very well, then you can get job opportunities in Dubai. This was three, if you 1 month back that have placed, where there are so many students who are getting placed. Okay, KPMG Global, Accenture, or Aditya Birla. You just have to network with people very well. If you network with people well, I think so. It is not that difficult that you cannot get into a job. Now, how to find job vacancy? If you write CA job vacancy out here, post every day, then you will find a lot of job vacancy which is posted. Post, you can see, so when you write CA job vacancy or something, you will find some job vacancies every day which are been posted. You need to apply them very well and see what is happening, what is not happening. So there are job vacancies you get on a daily basis if you write proper keywords. Okay, CA fresher or experienced CA. If you're an experienced CA, you can write CA experienced job vacancy. Okay, this is what you can write, and you can see what is there. Okay, the CA experience, the CA job vacancy. There are a lot of job vacancies in the market. It's just that you need to search very well in LinkedIn, and we personally we also share. Okay, simultaneously you can improve your Naukri.com and other domains also, where you can get a lot of job vacancies easily. Search job vacancies. So, like you can do Naukri.com, you can update, you can write CA job vacancy directly in a particular location, Kolkata, so you can get where there are job vacancies and accordingly apply there. Okay. So this is what it is showing, the 250 job vacancies are there. So from Google, you can use Naukri.com, LinkedIn. That's how you will get the job vacancies, LinkedIn. So I think so. The main thing is that you have to connect. If you are applying for a big four, then you need to connect with the relevant people, like a manager or a senior manager, so that their reference will really help you. Okay, if you are getting into an industry, then you have to get into somebody who is a senior out there. So senior references always matter little higher compared to you are giving your CV to somebody a very CA fresher or a peer. Okay, so they do not have that much of hold in the company. So the HR will not push their CV. But if you give your CV to a manager or a senior manager or director level, so आपका CV will get referred very quickly. So this is one of the mistakes that you might do while referring CV. Also, the CV is not prepared properly in most of the cases. What I have seen, that it's more than one page. The CV must have a keywords. Okay, for stat audit there is a specific keyword: internal audit, direct taxation, indirect taxation, or fund accounting or CFO advisory. So very important is the keyword and the practical experiences which you need to write in the CV. And cover letter is also very much needed. Along with the CV, you need to have a cover letter. If you don't have a cover letter, then definitely your chances will go down to get an interview call. So this is the way, when in various ways you can get. And I feel that you need to build relations. We do also help in this. You can join our groups. Okay, in GSPrime we do help of course students to help you out. The next thing what you can help, you can get help, I think, is many students are not able to clear their interviews. Now, so for clearing the interviews, now you need to be good at sales. Okay, how you can be good at sales? Now, for example, you are applying for a direct tax profile, so they want you to be very good in direct taxation. I have little cold nose, so pardon for that. So if you want to apply for direct taxation, so you need to have a very good knowledge in direct taxation. Now, if you have not done properly in articleship direct taxation, then it will be a problem. So you need to learn the properly whatever the questions are asked in direct taxation or indirect taxation or any profile. Okay, before if there is an interview schedule, and also accordingly prepare your CV accordingly, so that you have something to show in your CV. You need to articulate your aligned experiences accordingly. Similarly, stat audit or internal audit or financial reporting profile, you need to prepare beforehand, which most of the students don't do. Now, preparing does not mean just theoretical knowledge you have of a particular subject. You need to learn little practical knowledge. Practical knowledge is very much needed. Our content we have that will help you in practical knowledge. Also, you try to find out the friends of the relevant industry. For example, you want to get into direct taxation. So you might be having some friends who have good amount of direct tax knowledge, but you want to get into internal audit or any profile like finance, to try to connect with people. Sorry, to try to connect with people who have a good amount of finance knowledge, and try to get some insights from them, some interview questions maybe that can help. And how was their articleship experience and what observations they had. So that can really help you. If you don't are not getting any such people, connect with me. Number will be in the YouTube description. But relevant observations are very important. Most of the times, what I've seen in CFS or experience A, whatever is the case, they asked you the questions on what were your major observations, frauds, achievements, struggle during your work experience which you have done, or what were your major clients. So they are not able to say these answers. So that is a big problem. Another question that This is a problem which many experienced chartered accountant they face. Okay, the questions that is asked. Okay, why you are looking for a job switch? Okay, or why you want this profile? You have left the job within 6 months or 3 months. What commitment can you give out here in this form? Okay, why do we hire you? What is the strength? What is the weakness? Okay, why are you able to locate to a different location? Are you okay with flexible working? So there are a lot of questions on behavior questions. Why you took so many attempts? Okay. What are your marriage plans? What are your future education plans? What are your 5 years plans? Why you want to join Big Four? Why you want to join the industry? What is the main priority in life? Work-life balance or career or money or something else? Do you have any entrepreneurship plans? So there can be a lot of questions that can be asked. So you need to prepare beforehand. Behavior question, technical question, your past work experiences. Got my point. Now, what is your expected salary? Now, this is a very important question. Maybe HR can ask you sometimes in technical interview. So you need to prepare this also very well. And most of the times, people get rejected in HR call only. So always talk to HR very humbly, in a very humble manner, because most of the time we don't greet them properly in HR interview, which should not happen. You have to tell them good morning, good afternoon, whatever is the time of the day when they are when they take your interview in over a telephonic interview. Then definitely tell them ki it was very nice talking to you, ma'am. Looking for a positive response. Okay. After you give the interview, you should always mail them or connect with the relevant people in LinkedIn also after 2 or 3 days. Don't ask them the status all the time, but try to maintain some good relations with them. Yeah, how are you, sir? Or how are you, ma'am? Like, uh, don't ask them directly the result, but try to maintain some good relations. If you get selected, definitely they will tell you. But asking them result all the time in LinkedIn or in mail, okay, in the form of status, might might they might feel that you are a little desperate to get the job. So showing desperation will not really help you. You need to have little respect for yourself. Okay, yeah, everybody needs a job in this time, but we need to make sure that we cannot become desperate. If we become desperate for getting a job, and then it will not be very good for you. So make sure that you don't show desperation there. After you just completed your interview, you just tell them a thank you email, take 2 or 3 days, then you just reply to mail that I hope I have given interview. Is there any feedback for me? Even if it is yes or no, I would be happy if I can know what is the status. And if it is a no, then what are the areas I can improve upon myself? I would be very happy to know it. Generally, what I have seen, the job seeker writes, okay, what is the status of the interview, whether I'm selected or not. So the mail writing is very, very important. How you're mailing to the interview after your interview you have given. Okay. Also, sometimes you also know the result beforehand only, right? If you know that you are going to be selected, then you need to little patient and write properly. If you know your most, if you know that you're going to be rejected, okay, because your interview did not go well, then you should ask them the reason sometimes and be polite with them. So still you should follow up. Sometimes you feel that you are rejected, but maybe others have done better than you, and you might luckily be selected. So then also you should always ask for the results, and follow-up mail should be done after every 3 to 4 days, I feel. So 5 follow-up mails should be done, okay, in mail. I think I have explained you a lot of things, okay. And if any other advice or suggestions you need, okay, you can connect with me in WhatsApp, okay. And any interview preparation, anything is needed, you can connect with me in TopMate, okay. We have our website as well. In website also, you can see this is our website. You can visit website, and here also I have just a second. Here also people do book, and here also you can book different types of specific interview preparation or proper services you need. Okay, whatever you need. Okay, have made a very nominal cost, and also we have a package also. So for company specific interview preparation, also have mock interview you need, or you need package service. Okay, the package service also will be given. Okay, with the CA, MBA, article, industrial training, we are trying to help you one to one, so that I created this so that I am able to make sure that I don't take maximum students. I am able to give a right amount of time to each student. So I did this bifurcation also, so that whatever they are paying me, I am trying to give them the best possible value to them. Okay, because I feel that if I give good value, then the service itself does the marketing more than anything else. So always our efforts have been to give our best and improve from the past mistakes. If definitely we keep on updating our study materials, we can go to our services. In case you can WhatsApp us, I have always made sure that keep on updating the study materials. Whatever the latest questions are there in the market, I keep on updating the study material accordingly so that it can help you. And honestly, I work relatively very hard. Okay, you can see me. Mm, this video is uploaded at night. Okay, around 4 p.m. So that's a hard work schedule that we are having right now. Okay. And we post daily vacancies as well to help you. Okay. And you can see my feedbacks have been good. Those who are new to my channel. So accordingly, if I get into Dubai also, so I have the email IDs. I know the timing when you should mail them. Generally, the hiring season also I know for different professionals. Okay. Also, if somebody CA wants to, for MBA or a CMA student also, for example, they want to do a job along with a side hustle, or they want to do a business or something else like a practice they want to do or business. Okay, they can connect with me still. Okay, and because I've seen, so I can suggest them areas where they can improve there also. Okay, so whatever is your area you want to improve, you want to upskill, interview preparation or career guidance or anything. Okay, once connect with me, whatever I can, definitely it will take some time to get response, but we will try to help you as much as possible. Okay, I hope this video was useful and I'm able to give some important insights. Be proactive as a job seeker, connect in LinkedIn, naukri.com, be positive, be okay with rejections. Okay, I have a 6 years of experience. I worked in all the big fours, but initially, okay, as a CA fresher, I got rejected. Though I was proactive, okay, but I also got rejected 6 to 7 times also. So rejection is a part of the process. If you're getting rejected, be okay with it, but learn from every rejection. Second thing I will say, keep patience is key. In job search, patience is also the key. Maybe your friends have got job, you have not got the job. Don't worry that you okay, you have one attempt, they have 6 attempts, they got the job, or you have only 1 or 2 attempts. What will society think about me? Don't worry on those things, okay? If society asks you anything, you tell them that I got the job anyways. So don't worry about the society or a friend circle or anything, okay? Your day will also come. It's just that this is the time for you. If you have not got the job, I would say this is the time for you to improve yourself, to learn more, to struggle more. And every struggle will help you to get a good job later. Generally, you will get a lot of guidance in CA exam guidance. Okay. But for CA fresher experienced CA who are looking for getting into a job market, and you find out yeah, job market is very tough. So motivation is also needed. So I try to motivate, though I am not very good in motivating, I feel. But I try to motivate my way own ways, that you need to have the patience in level with you. And don't worry about attempts. I have seen 13 attempts, 15 attempts getting a package. Very good package, I'm telling you. So don't worry about attempts. Don't worry that you don't have skills. Don't worry that you don't have network, okay? When I was a CA fresher, I had 2 attempts, okay? But skills, network, I also did not have. If you are hardworking, if you have the patience, And if you have that fire within you, that I will get the best job in the market, you can get the job in the market. It's just that you need to have the fire in your stomach that, yeah, I know, yeah, I don't have the skills, I don't have the network, but I will work very hard. I will improve upon my weaknesses. I will see where I'm making mistakes, and I will definitely get the best job in the market. If you have the fire, I'm telling you, you will get a good job. Okay, motivation is needed, I know. So whatever we can, we will try to do. And you can WhatsApp always to me at the email. I think I will give in the description, or you can note it down: 810-117-9806. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be useful, and do subscribe our channel. Thank you.